How do you currently manage data between multiple spreadsheets? You have been managing your data on spreadsheets so far, but is it time to switch to a CRM? Here are 6 reasons how you know that it's time to make that switch from spreadsheets to a CRM. Number 1. You are at a meeting and someone asked you a question. You click on your spreadsheet and stare at each other in that awkward silence while the sheet tries to open up. The problem is, your spreadsheet program has become painfully slow because of the amount of data and all the complex formulas and processing that it's doing. It takes longer to open, save, and shut down. Spreadsheets were never meant to store that kind of data or to perform complex operations at scale. A good reason for you to start considering getting a CRM. Number 2. Lack of accuracy. The information is never real-time and always outdated. It is shared with multiple people and there is no way to determine who updated what piece of information. You can do some digging inside of a 1000-version history, but both of us know that isn't efficient. Again, a good reason for you to start considering getting a CRM. Number 3. Having too many stakeholders for a spreadsheet. If you have a sheet that requires input from many people, that isn't a scalable solution. It becomes hard to maintain a common format and becomes more and more difficult to police what's happening on the sheet. The lack of process and lack of organization starts to spiral out of control. Again, a good reason for you to start considering getting a CRM. Number 4. As your company and teams grow, it's critical to have workflows in place, for example, approval of contracts, weekly reports for specific meetings, communication of stats with various teams, notifying senior members of a team if a high-value deal fell through, etc. Having a CRM can automate many of these tasks, which mean you can use that time to deploy in places that can be more productive. Again, a good reason for you to start considering getting a CRM. Number 5. Your data lives in several different spreadsheets and it becomes impossible to digest all that data and to have a bird's-eye view of what's happening with the business. How do you currently manage data between multiple spreadsheets? Let us know in the comment box below. But again, a good reason for you to start considering getting a CRM. Number 6. Most spreadsheets have an owner who manages the sheet and is responsible for the data. There is a huge risk of this person leaving the company or being let go, where it's possible that the data is not handed off in an efficient manner. Also, data security becomes a big concern. Something like this would never happen if you have a CRM. All you need to do is to deactivate the user who is leaving. So, to wrap things up, if you have one or more of these issues, it's time to start thinking about getting a CRM. Would love to know what CRM you use at your company and how's that working out for you. Cheers! Alvarite, a data intelligence and reporting services company.